everyone. This is a conversation between a guardian and another student. This conversation is about online study and very interesting. I am sure you will enjoy it. Hello auntie, good morning. Good morning beta, how about you? I'm good auntie, how about you? I'm also fine. Where is Tina auntie? Didn't she come? No, she didn't. She is studying at home. And where is your mom? Actually, I'm come here to talk to your mom about something. Oh, but mom is not at home. Where has she gone? She has gone to the market to buy some groceries. She will be back soon. I should have called before coming here. No problem, auntie. Please wait for 5 minutes. She will be back soon. Tell me, Riti, how are your studies going on? They are going well, auntie. Of course, you are the class topper. Actually, I came here to talk about Tina's studies only. Why, auntie? She is good student. She studies well. But still, this time it's class 10 and 1 month is already over. I am not getting a good tuition teacher for her. But auntie, what about the tutor who used to teach her in class 9? He won't be teaching this year. He has shifted to Pune. Oh, really? Well, tell me Riti, who are the tutors who teaches you? I don't have any tuition auntie, I study at home. Riti, you can tell me, there is no problem. Auntie, I'm telling the truth. You can ask Tina if you want. I really don't have any tuition. Then how do you score such good marks? Normally at school, I follow the teachers and the classes. And then at home, my parents help me. Or sometimes I take the help of the internet. Internet? How? Yes, auntie, there are tons of options on internet these days. Google, YouTube and several other educational apps. Studying using YouTube? Is that even possible? Yes, auntie, why not? There are no just topics on any subjects of our school that you will not find on YouTube. And there are so many good tutors for all over India. If I have a doubt, I just search it on YouTube. Do you understand anything by watching videos? Of course, and even if I don't understand it once, I can just watch it again. We can watch a video on YouTube repeatedly and we don't even have to ask our doubt again and again. On YouTube, do the teachers teach just like offline tutors? Yeah, they are the same. Online classes are just as understandable as offline if one takes them seriously. But you have to pay for online classes too, right? There are paid classes as well as free classes. Both are equally beneficial. You are really mature, Riti. Nowadays, when kids use mobile just to entertain themselves, you are utilizing it to score good marks. Thank you, auntie. It's all because of your blessings. Thanks, Riti. I got to know a lot from you today. I need to go now. Tell your mother that I came here. Okay, bye auntie. Yeah, bye Pita. So this was the conversation. I hope you liked it.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો અમારી ચેનલ ક્રેઝી કિડ્સ લર્નિંગ. નવા વિડીયોનું નોટિફિકેશન મેળવવા માટે બેલ આઇકોન પ્રેસ કરવાનું ચૂકશો નહીં. અને જો તમને વિડીયો પસંદ આવે તો લાઈક અને શેર કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં.